how to edit formal attire in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So first things first that you're going to get is of course your photo or the photo that you're trying to put formal attire on. Next thing that I would recommend that you guys do is to get a photo in Pinterest or any other source that has something like this. So you're just simply going to search here formal suit for 2x2 picture, women or men. So choose between any of those options and you should then be able to see a lot of these options over here. So I already downloaded a photo over here, so just simply going to drag it into our page over here. As you can see, it has a blue background, so simply click on background remover and you should then be able to just simply align your image of course with our picture or like our suit over here. So it might be a bit difficult since the size of the person or the image is not going to be proportional, as you can see. So you're going to have to look for or have a decent picture that is actually looking forward or like facing front. So over here, let's just simply search for our picture over here and let's have a more accurate one. So for example, this one, I'll just do a background remover for that. Do layer, send to the back, there we go. And this one would fit much better. We could just enlarge this a bit and it could work potentially, something like this. So what we could do here is we could actually adjust it a bit to fit our neck over here. There we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on our original photo and we're just going to crop it just like that. There we go. Raise it up a bit. There we go. So it doesn't feel off. And there we go. So you can easily have a suit or a formal attire on your Canva over here. So it's going to be a bit difficult for some type of images because it has to be facing you or have a certain angle so that it works really well. It's not going to work on all types of images like this one since this is facing sideways. So it's going to be strictly face forward or facing front before you are able to do something like what we're trying to do over here. But anyway, once you're satisfied with this, simply click on share, click on download, and you should then be able to have your image. So if you want to be able to do this freely without any limitation, click the link in the description below to get your free 30-day free trial of Canva Pro.